To check your transaction history on Vanguard, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform and find the information you need. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the Accounts section. Once logged in, look for the Accounts tab on the main menu. Click on it to view a list of all your investment accounts associated with your Vanguard profile. Step 3. Select the desired account. From the list of accounts, choose the specific account for which you want to check the transaction history. This will take you to the Account Overview page. Step 4. Access transaction history. On the Account Overview page, look for a link or tab labeled Transaction History or Activity. Click on this link to view a detailed list of all transactions made within that account. Step 5. Filter and review transactions. You may have options to filter the transaction history by date range, transaction type, or other criteria. Use these filters to narrow down the information you need, then review your transactions as needed. By following these steps, you can easily access and review your transaction history on Vanguard. If you have any questions or need further assistance, consider reaching out to Vanguard's customer service for help.